Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. A quick look here at the 4-hour chart before we go into the detail and take a look at the 1-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, we can actually see price action since June, and we can see that this still could very well be a corrective structure here to the upside, because we only have 3 waves really. Yeah, we have off this June low a wave W to the upside, an X wave to the downside, and a Y wave to the upside, which consists of an A, B, C structure. But before we dive deeper into the analysis, first a few words about the sponsor of today's Bitcoin video, Chartprime. Chartprime is a service that provides specific TradingView indicators. There are 5 specific and unique indicators that you can only get through Chartprime if you sign up to one of their plans. These are based on quite complex algorithms and formulas and can be helpful in identifying trade setups, which means they can provide additional signals that could support your trading. Indicators can, for example, also be useful to support Elliott Wave counts to give more confidence. Of course, you don't need to apply Elliott Wave to use Chartprime, and the combination of their indicators alone can provide trade setups and signals as well. They currently offer a 30% limited time discount, so if you are interested in this, check it out. Of course, bear in mind that no indicator works 100% of the time. Here's an example of the Bitcoin chart with one of the range indicators. This indicator combines various indicators in itself, so you can adjust it to your needs, but it basically shows your range resistances, different support resistance levels based on different time frames, and it categorizes them based on their relevance. And this indicator provides you with dynamic support and resistance bands to which the price is reacting. And if you're interested in checking it out, make sure that you use the link in the video description and on their website. You can also read through testimonials and you can join their Discord community, which you can join in case you have any questions about how to use those indicators. That C wave would be a bit short, but that's fine. That would be a bearish wave count. I just bring it up because I want to make you aware that, of course, a new low could still be coming. I'm leaning towards the low is already in at the moment, but will have to change my view below 22k, or at least have to focus on a new bear market low more. But from time to time I get the question if I could show the bearish count, and that is it, you know, WXY and the Y wave in an ABC, and now we could be coming down in a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we make a new bear market low from here, prospects would be that price could go down to around about 10k. That would not be unrealistic, but at the moment my view is the low is in. However, I think the rally to the upside will be a rocky road. It already is. Yeah, I mean, we've been moving sideways basically since March now. This is really difficult. I mean, for since the middle of March, middle of April, middle of May, so 2 months basically, extremely boring sideways action, and I think we will see a breakout of the range shortly. But yeah, it has been very boring. You know that when we've been looking at the chart, we're looking at the chart every day, and I see it on the views as well, the live stream participation. When we have sideways ranges, people are switching off. It's just normal. I don't blame anyone. It's boring. But this is actually the time when we need to be watching, because breakouts are around the corner. Okay. So looking at the, but obviously, this was the bearish count. The bullish count is currently favored, so that we had a wave 1 to the upside here and peaked in February. We came down in wave 2. We're now rallying in a 3rd wave, and this is another 1-2 setup, and we could then rally in a 3rd wave of a 3rd wave next. There are a few other ways to count this, but even if I count this as some kind of a diagonal, there should be support in this yellow box. So from that point of view, that's fine. Looking at the 1-hour chart, I just want to make everybody aware and basically everybody aware that we have not broken the range to the downside yet. And I said to you in, I think it was the first video I made today, that as long as Bitcoin isn't breaking below the B wave low of our Elliott Wave triangle, it can still extend higher. So obviously we're coming down here in this wave 2, ABC, that's the structure here. And the view is that A wave is complete. The B wave is a triangle, and it broke, well, hasn't officially broken yet, but it finished. The B wave finished here at around 29.8k on the 6th of May. And since then, we've been starting that C wave to the downside. But that doesn't need to be the case, because at the moment it is still valid that, for example, this triangle could simply put another extension in and we move sideways a little bit more, but would get a bit of a reaction to the upside and do this. Or if we finish it, we should then very shortly move to the upside. If we do that, we could also put in a higher B wave, so that the B would move here somewhere and we would come down in a C wave afterwards. That would only be possible in some kind of a flat pattern. So basically where we came down in 3 waves, yeah, in wave A, then let me think. Then this could have been again an A wave. So A wave complete, yeah. Then we're now let me think how that would actually work. A wave complete. Well, yeah, then this would be the B wave, but within the B wave, we obviously need an ABC structure. So again, this here could have been, wow, I mean, this could have been an A wave again. And then, well, that's messy. Yeah, this is some kind of a B wave, but probably the A would sit over, no, the A would oh, that's, it's really a mess. This would sit here probably, A, then B, and then C to the upside. Yeah, that is possible, I guess. There's a few ways how this could be counted, but then we could get a high B wave and would come down then. I don't want to rule that out, because this is technically still possible. And I said it just now in the Ethereum video, even though the forecast is down, I would also, due to the many alternative wave counts that are possible here, I would not be surprised about a bounce, a surprise bounce tomorrow when we have the CPI report. It would be good if we get a bounce for many of the altcoin charts. A lot of altcoins are very, very deep in support. Bitcoin can handle much more of a drop before invalidating our current wave 2 correction, whereas a lot of altcoins actually can't. So to be honest, it would actually be good for the majority of the crypto market, most altcoins, to see a bit of a move to the upside before coming down then. And then I have to tell you that, but we've talked about that before, if we break above the April high, we have to be in favor of a direct third wave breakout. Yeah? So strategically, it's never wise in a third wave rally, in which we still are, to cut positions too much. Okay, from my point of view, yeah, that's my view. And these are the possibilities. But at the moment, even though there is a potential to break higher, even if it's only short term, at the moment the trend is down. And I sketched out to you how this could continue, a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. And we're now in the wave 4, has been basically the forecast for today, and that sort of worked out. We reached resistance, we haven't broken through resistance. And as long as we stay below the 28.2k level, or 28,220, which is the 50% retracement, the assumption can be that we go down directly and then form 5 waves in a C wave. If we break above 28,220, however, the idea is that we have a good chance to put that either an extension of the triangle in place or a higher B wave. Until then, I guess we won't see too much movement until tomorrow's CPI report. So we just need to be patient, and yeah, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.